Changing a flat tire is an essential skill that every driver should have. A flat tire can happen at any time, and knowing how to replace it can get you back on the road quickly and safely. In this step-by-step video, we'll walk you through the process of changing a flat tire. So, before starting the video, please like this video, do subscribe and turn on the notification to our channel for future updates. Tools and materials you'll need. Spare tire. Make sure your vehicle has a spare tire in good condition. Jack. A car jack is used to lift the vehicle off the ground. Check that it's the appropriate jack for your vehicle and is in good working condition. Lug wrench. This tool is used to loosen and tighten the lug nuts. It should also be suitable for your vehicle's lug nut size. Gloves. To protect your hands while handling dirty components. Step-by-step guide to changing a flat tire. Safety first. Pull over to a safe location. If you experience a flat tire while driving, carefully steer your vehicle to the side of the road, away from traffic. Make sure you're on a flat, stable surface. Engage the hazard lights. Turn on your hazard lights to alert other drivers that you're experiencing an issue. Apply the parking brake. Ensure the vehicle is securely parked by engaging the parking brake. Prepare your vehicle. Put the vehicle in park for automatic transmission or in gear for manual transmission. Locate the jack points. Consult your vehicle's owner's manual to identify the proper jack points. Secure the vehicle. Use wheel wedges. Place wheel wedges or other suitable objects in front of and behind one of the tires, preferably the opposite side of the flat tire. This helps prevent the vehicle from rolling while you work on it. Loosen the lug nuts. Use the lug wrench to loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire. Turn them counterclockwise, but don't remove them completely at this stage, just break them loose. Position the jack. Place the jack under the vehicle at the designated jack point you identified earlier. Ensure that the jack is positioned securely and level on a solid surface. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for your specific jack to lift the vehicle. Typically, you'll use a lever to pump the jack and raise the vehicle off the ground. Don't lift it too high at this stage. Remove the lug nuts and the flat tire. Once the vehicle is lifted, use the lug wrench to fully remove the loosened lug nuts. Carefully slide the flat tire off the wheel studs and set it aside. Mount the spare tire. Take the spare tire and align it with the wheel studs. Push the spare tire onto the studs until it's flush against the wheel hub. Hand tighten the lug nuts. Start threading the lug nuts onto the wheel studs by hand. Lower the vehicle. Carefully lower the vehicle using the jack. Ensure that it is lowered slowly and that the spare tire makes full contact with the ground. Tighten the lug nuts. With the vehicle on the ground, use the lug wrench to securely tighten the lug nuts. Tighten them in a diagonal or star pattern to evenly distribute the pressure. If you don't have a torque wrench, use the lug wrench to tighten the lug nuts as much as possible without excessive force. Double check the lug nuts. After driving a short distance, about a quarter mile, stop and double check the lug nuts to ensure they are still tight. This is a crucial safety step. Stow the flat tire and tools. Place the flat tire, lug wrench, and other tools back in your vehicle. Visit a tire shop. A spare tire is typically not meant for long-term use and should only be used temporarily. Visit a tire shop as soon as possible to repair or replace the flat tire. Some spare tires have restrictions on speed and distance, so consult your owner's manual for guidance. Maintain your spare tire. Periodically check the spare tire's inflation pressure to ensure it's ready for use when needed. By following these steps, you can safely and effectively change a flat tire and get back on the road. Remember that practice makes perfect, so consider practicing this procedure in a controlled environment before you need to do it in an emergency situation. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.